Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the topic number 5, multimedia production team. So there are totally 9 team members in the multimedia production. So the first and foremost role played by the production manager, he is the sole responsible for the entire team. So he has more responsibility than the others. So he has to define and coordinate the time, and he has to define the timeline. He has to define the quality, how the output should be to the team members for each and every team members in each and every phase, in each and every activity. So the next is he must be expertised in the technology what they are using for the multimedia development. What all the softwares they are using, what all the hardware they are using, what all the technology they are using, what all the methods they are following for a better output in the efficient time. So all he must be able to know prior before starting the project, and he must be able to give a best proposal to the vendors. So in multimedia there are various competitions are there. So much of competitions are there. In this competitive world, we must be able to give the best proposal to the vendor to grab the project easily. So he must be able to write the proposal in an efficient manner. So next, he must be able to have the good communication skill. So he must be able to deliver what he is trying to say, what his company is trying to convey the information to the vendor or to the client. So the next one is the budget management. He must know how much the budget is allocated, how we have to be efficient, more efficient, do work efficient to reduce the budget. So all these things he must be able to know. So he must be expertise in budget management. And the last, he must be able to have the human resource management skills. So he must be able to manage various types of resource people. So there will be so many types of resource people working under him. So he must be able to go smoothly with the employees to get better work from them, so that he can do the work efficiently in a timely manner. The next one is the content specialist. So content specialist will do all the research activities. He will check all the data, facts, everything, and all the graphics, all the information related activities. He will do all the research with respect to the project or with respect to the theme what they have fixed, and will move on to the script writer. The research activities what the content specialist what the information he has gathered will move on to the script writer. So he will frame a sequence of events. So the project will have these kind of events in this sequence for better reach. So he will be defining the sequence of events, and he will visualize the content. He will visualize the theme in the three-dimensional environment. What is the three-dimensional environment? Not like a 3D image. From his point of view, from the company point of view, from the customer, from the end user point of view. So he will be looking on these three aspects so that he can able to sequence the events in a better way. So the next person is the text editor. So he the person who must frame the text logically, and it must be structured, whether it is incorporating in any image or video. It must be structured, and it must be very logical to the exact theme, and it must be grammatically correct. So these are the things the text editor will look after. So these are the first 4 multimedia production team members. We will discuss about the next, what are all the remaining 5 team members. So these are the next 5 multimedia production team members. So the first one is fifth one is the multimedia architect. So he integrates all the multimedia components, multimedia contents like text, video, graphics, animation, sound into a single platform by using a proprietary or authorized software. So the next one is the computer graphic artist. So as a term mentioned, graphic, so he will be dealing with all the graphical elements like the background and the pictures and what all the images it is used in that multimedia product. So he will be dealing with, or he will be editing, or he will be adding with all these graphical elements. So next one is the audio video specialist. Audio video specialist nothing but he will be maintaining or coordinating with the all recording and re-editing or adding sound to a picture or a video. So like that all sound effects, he will digitize everything into a computerized format. So the next one is the computer programmer. So he writes the script or a code, programming code for developing the software, into a full-fledged product. Developing the software, whether it may be a web-based software or a window-based application, the product may be. So he will be writing the coding for programming, coding language, coding for and for developing the software. So the last one is the webmaster. So he will be maintaining the creating and maintaining the internet web page to land the multimedia product. So whether the multimedia product, the developed multimedia product definitely will be placed in every social media and will have a separate page in the internet. So he will be creating and maintaining the internet web page. So these 9 are the multimedia production team members. So in the next class, we will go with the application of multimedia and the libraries, information of and archives. So since these two are the most general concept, it is very easy to understand. It is a very generic concept. So we will combine these two in the next video and we will finish off this chapter. Thank you.